Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Charge it to at least 20% and back up anything you can, because safe mode affects third-party apps only. Once done, power off the phone normally. Hold the side/power button until the shutdown menu appears. Make sure you note whether your model uses a dedicated Bixby or volume down combo. This matters for the next step. You proceed immediately to restart into safe mode, using the correct key sequence for your Samsung. You restart the phone and watch for the Samsung logo. This is the moment to act. When the logo appears, press and keep holding volume down, not volume up, to trigger safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can isolate behavior. If your phone has Bixby, instead press power, then tap and hold restart and choose safe mode when prompted. If prompted, accept. Make sure the words safe mode appear bottom left. That confirms you're in the correct diagnostic environment. You now verify behavior. Open the apps that misbehaved earlier. If the issue disappears, a third-party app caused it. Uninstall or clear cache for suspects via Settings apps. Once satisfied, reboot normally to exit safe mode. A simple restart will restore all apps. If the phone stays stuck in safe mode, make sure volume buttons are not jammed, then force restart by holding power plus volume down for 10 seconds. If that fails, visit a service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.